Hi, welcome to new video from Technary.com. Today we have an interesting news for you. So do you have budget of 12,000 rupees and are you looking for a new smartphone change? Then you might be looking at the new prospect, which is the Moto G9 Power. Another smartphone has been launched by Motorola, which is a Lenovo owned company. This is the Moto G9 Power. Let us have a look at the features of this device. This dual SIM handset has two nano SIM slots and has Android 10 OS. It has a 6.8-inch IPS HD Plus display with 720 by 1640 pixels of screen resolution with 20.5 is to 9 of aspect ratio. The dimensions of this handset are 172.14 by 76.79 by 9.6 millimeters, and weight of this device is 221 grams. It is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC with 4GB RAM. The phone is having Android 10. It has triple camera setup which includes 64 MP of primary sensor with f by 1.79 lens, 2 megapixels of secondary sensor with f by 2.4 macro lens and 2 megapixels of depth sensor with f by 2.4 lens. It comes with 16 megapixels of front camera. The device has 64 GB of large storage which can be expandable with microSD card of up to 512 GB. It also comes with a fingerprint sensor at the back. The connectivity features include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C and NFC. It comes with 6000 mAh battery capacity. So it has a very large battery capacity. The phone also supports 20-watt fast charging. It also has IP52 rated water repellent build. It is available in metallic sage and electric violet color variants. We did love the electric violet color variant, which does look aesthetically good. And the price of this device is 15,999. Though that is the MRP, you will get it at a price of 11,999 if you purchase it from the link in the description below. So this smartphone is right now available in the market, and it will be soon be available to you if you check out the link in the description below. And it is a very nice smartphone for sure, though we think that the RAM is a bit less, which is 4GB. So now there are other options in the market as well, and 64GB is also a decent thing, and we like the battery thing, and it is from a good brand which is Motorola. So the handset build quality must be amazing for sure. So we can't wait to review this handset soon. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and do comment on it as well. Don't forget to visit our website, which is technary.com. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting tech news and gadget reviews from our side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.